I used to wake up to your breath on my chest. Now it's cold sheets, ghosts where you used to rest. I was stressed in a hoodie, pride in disguise. You saw a pain in my truth, I saw truth in your eyes. You said love me or lose me, I laughed. Stupid lie, now I'm talking to the walls, they don't even reply. Every I'm sorry I rehearsed got stuck in my throat. Now it's echoes in the kitchen and your perfume in my coat. I traded your comfort for chaos, your peace for advice. You gave me heaven in your hands, I rolled the dice. Now I'm left with regrets I can't outright. Trying to text your number but it ain't mine tonight.
I lost you in the noise of my pain. Every word I didn't say cuts deeper again. You were light in my storm, my truth, my proof. Now I'm just a shadow still chasing you. I lost you, yeah, I lost you.
Yeah, I remember the fights I'd yell just to win. Break something fragile, then break again. You cried in the dark, I drowned in pride. Both of us lost before goodbye. I'd say I'm fine, like that fixed the scars. Drive too fast, rage talking to the stars. My temper's a weapon I can't control. You left when the blast finally took its toll. Now I'm sitting in the wreckage, rewinding the reel. The truth hurts worse than the pain I feel. You said love ain't war, but I fought like hell. Now I'm living in the cell that I built myself.
I lost you in the noise of my pain. Every word I didn't say cuts deeper again. You were light in my storm, my truth, my proof. Now I'm just a shadow still chasing you. I lost you, yeah, I lost you.
I said I'd change, never did, never even tried. Now my conscience is a courtroom and I'm testifying aside. Every heartbeat's a gavel, every breath a verdict. I keep counting my sins like they numbers I inherited. You moved on, I get it, he's calm, collected sane. While I'm scribbling apologies and bloodstained pain. Burn bridges like matches, torch love in the flame. Now every shadow I see whispers your name. I replay every fight like a broken cassette. Every word I didn't say, every letter I won't send yet. I trapped us in cycles I couldn't escape. Now I'm writing confessions on fate's cold slate. I was reckless with your heart, careless with mine. Played chess with your trust, checkmated time. I screamed at the night, pray to take me with you. But I'm still here, haunted by the truth I drew. Look, I tore your photos, but your face won't leave. I fight my reflection like I'm caught in a heist thief. I pace the floors, haunted by the words I never said. Haunted by the nights I left you alone in bed. I killed a turn back, rewind every misstep. But time's a thief, regrets a debt.
I lost you in the noise of my pain. Every word I didn't say cuts deeper again. You were light in my storm, my truth, my proof. Now I'm just a shadow still chasing you. I lost you, yeah, I lost you. Like say